The consequences of a criminal conviction aren't meant to last a lifetime. Once you've done your time, once you've gotten off of probation, that should be the end of it. The collateral consequences or the impact of a criminal conviction oftentimes can follow you for the rest of your life. They'll bar you from employment, from housing, from getting a loan. Expungement is the way you can go about getting your records sealed. It is not the destruction of records. In Minnesota, there are a number of different rules that control what kinds of cases can be expunged and what kinds of records within those cases can be expunged. A couple of bright line rules to keep in mind. There aren't many, but there are a couple. First, expungement will not give you your gun rights back. If your conviction required you to register as a predatory offender, those cases can never be sealed. It can only control records that are essentially maintained by the criminal justice system. So that means that information that's maintained on private websites won't be impacted. We've recently developed a program called Help Seal My Record, which is essentially an online application program. We search your record for any case that was prosecuted by our office. Those are the only ones that we can seal. For every case that is eligible, we'll petition on your behalf. You won't have a filing fee, you won't have a hearing. All that will happen is you will have to wait for the order from the court in the mail. If you'd like more information about the Help Seal My Record program or just expungements in general, check out hennepinattorney.org and record sealing. It'll be on one of the drop-down tabs near the top.